Want to transform your ideas into a tangible professional statement? First, launch Adobe Illustrator and click Create New. Next, set your document dimensions. Most standard business cards are 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches high. Ensure your unit is set 2 inches. Then, establish your bleed. A small margin beyond your card's edges to prevent white borders after trimming. A bleed of 0.1 to 5 inches on each side will work. Confirm the color mode is CMYK for print. Now your canvas is set. Next we will create the layout. After hitting create, you'll be presented with the artboard. Using the shape tools, construct the basic design. Use the rectangle tool to draw a background for your card. You can find the color palette in the color panel. Now to add a logo, bring your logo into the document. Select a file and import it from your desktop. Resize it and make sure it is prominent on the card. Next comes the critical part, text. Using the type tool, create text boxes for your name, title, company name, phone number, email, and website. Choose legible fonts and arrange the text for visual balance. Once everything is in place, organize and refine the layout. Adjust spacing, alignment, and color to create visual harmony. Save, then it's time to export to print. Go to File greater than Export as to save in a print-ready format, such as PDF. Double-check all the settings to be sure they are print ready and follow printing guidelines. Printing your card is the final step. Make sure that the image is high quality and enjoy your professional business cards.